In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter your data based on your drop-down selections here in Google Sheets. So let's say you're trying to find a new way to filter your data without using the filter tool. Here's how you can do it with the filter function and the selections that you make with your drop-down. So first, what we're going to do is to create our drop-down. I'm going to create it right here on my cell G2. So I'm going to right-click, scroll down and select drop-down right here. On the right side, we have our data validation rules. Now for the criteria, since we already have an existing data, I'm going to have this drop down from a range. Select your range, just click on this one right here. Then go ahead and select your range. So my drop down will be based on the category in column A. So I'm just going to click on OK. There you have it. It has pulled out all the unique values from that long list. And here we have them. So we have gadgets, office supplies, electronics, appliances, and furniture. If we click on done, close this off, go back to our drop down right here. There we have them. So again, based on what I select right here, I will have the results that match these categories right here. So my data will be filtered based on this selection. So let's go ahead and create that formula that will filter our data. Put in your equal sign. So this is just beside my drop down. Type in filter or select it right here. Select your range. So what I want to happen here is I want the range to be from column B to column E. I won't be including the headers anymore, comma. So that will be the results that I want to see once my data is filtered, again, based on the selection that I will make with my drop-down. So the condition would be if this part right here is equal to whatever is selected in my drop-down, then it will filter this data and show it right here. If we press enter, there you have it. It's now showing us the filtered data that belongs to the category electronics. And there you have it. If I change this, appliances, there we go. Furniture, there we have it. Now, if this is empty, we do have an error right here that says not applicable. That's okay. We can easily fix that with putting in the if and a function right here. Press enter. There you go. We don't have any results because, again, we don't have anything selected. So it doesn't show us an error anymore. It just shows us blanks because we haven't chosen anything. If we go to electronics again, gadgets, there you have it. So that's how easy it is. We can filter our data based on our drop-down selections here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.